What if I told you that you could run your own AI agent, one that codes, sends emails, and handles tasks for you, completely free? No $1,000 Mac Mini. No massive API bills. Just $6 a month for the server. OpenClaw is getting more powerful every single day, but here's the problem. Running it on OpenAI or Claude's API can cost you hundreds of dollars. Until now. In this video, I'm showing you how to deploy your own OpenClaw agent using a free AI model that's actually outperforming the paid ones. Let's get into it. OpenClaw is incredible. It's an AI agent that can actually do things for you: coding, research, automation. But there's a catch. If you run it all day on OpenAI or Anthropic's API, you're looking at some serious costs. We're talking hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars a month. Plus, you'd normally need expensive hardware, like a $1,000 Mac Mini, to run this locally. But here's the game changer. A new open-source AI model called Qwen K2.5 just dropped. Not only is it competing with GPT-4 and Claude, but thanks to NVIDIA, you can use it completely free through their API. No rate limits. No credit card. Just free. So today, I'm walking you through two things. How to set up OpenClaw on a cheap VPS for just $6 per month, and how to connect the free Qwen API so you never pay for AI tokens. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AI agent running 24/7. Head over to hostinger.com/nick10. This link takes you directly to the OpenClaw deployment page with a preset template, which makes this process super easy. I recommend the KVM2 plan. It's got 8 GB RAM, perfect for OpenClaw, 100 GB storage, 8 TB bandwidth, and it's only $6.99 per month. Here's why I love using a VPS instead of buying hardware. It's flexible. You can upgrade RAM or storage anytime. With a Mac Mini, you're stuck with what you bought. Plus, if you decide OpenClaw isn't for you or something better comes along, you're not stuck with expensive hardware. Click Deploy, and it'll take you to checkout. The default is 24 months, which actually gives you 2 free months, so that's 26 months total. Now use the coupon code NICK10 for an extra 10% off. That brings it down to about $150 for 26 months. That's basically $6 per month to run your AI agent as much as you want. Set your server location to wherever you are. I'm using United States. Then hit Continue. You'll need to register for a Hostinger account. If you already have one, just log in. Easy. Once you're in the H panel, go to VPS and click Manage on your server. You should see Ubuntu 24.04 LTS as your operating system. Now click on Docker Manager and then Catalog. Find OpenClaw in the catalog and hit Deploy. Here's what's amazing. Hostinger has made this so easy. You don't need to touch any code or use the terminal. They've streamlined the whole onboarding process since my last video. During setup, you'll see something called a gateway token. This is super important. You'll need it to access OpenClaw later. Make sure you save it. Don't worry though, I'll show you where to find it again if you forget. You'll also see fields for API keys, OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, etc. But notice there's no Qwen API key section. That's what we're about to fix. For now, you can add your OpenAI API key if you want a backup, but we're mainly going to use the free Qwen model. Hit Deploy and let it run. This takes about 30 seconds. While that's deploying, let's grab our free Qwen API key. Go to build.nvidia.com/moonshotai/Qwen-K, link in the description. You can also just Google NVIDIA Qwen K2.5, and you'll find it. Sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you can actually test Qwen right in the browser, like ChatGPT or Claude. Click View Code at the top, and make sure you're on the Qwen K2.5 model. Now click Generate API Key. Your API key will appear. It starts with an API. Copy it. Obviously, don't share this with anyone. Jump back to hosting. Your OpenClaw project should be deployed and running now. Click Manage on your project, then open the YAML editor. This is where all your environment variables are stored. You'll see your OpenAI API key if you added one, and you'll also see your gateway token here. This is the backup location if you didn't save it earlier. Now we need to add one line for our Qwen API. It should look like this: moonshot_API_key equals, and then paste in the API key you just got from NVIDIA. Then click Deploy. This takes about 10 seconds. Now click on the port to open the OpenClaw panel. Enter your gateway token when prompted and click Login. Check the overview page. You should see health, okay, and your uptime. Perfect. OpenClaw is alive. Go to Configure, then open the raw JSON editor. Don't panic, you don't need to know JSON. Just copy the code snippet I'll link in the description. Here's what we're changing. Find the primary field and change it to Moonshot. Scroll down and verify the model is set to Qwen K2.5. And this is critical. Find where it says Insert your token here, and paste your gateway token in 2 places. Make sure you do this step correctly, or OpenClaw will disconnect and you'll get errors. We're leaving the OpenAI and Anthropic configurations as fallbacks just in case. Click Save, then reload. Go back to Overview and refresh. You should still see health, okay. Now for the moment of truth, go to chat and type, "Hey, OpenClaw, you there?" It might take a minute on the first message. But then, "Yeah, I'm here. What do you want to tackle?" Success. Your OpenClaw agent is now running. To verify it's using Qwen, ask, "What LLM model are you using right now?" It should respond that it's running on Moonshot Qwen K2.5. Perfect. One question I got after my last video was about setting up skills. Here's how easy it is now. Just type, "Hey, can you help me set up an email skill?" OpenClaw will walk you through the whole process. Which email provider, what permissions, where to host it. It's conversational. Just talk to it like an assistant. You might need a Brave Search API key for some features, but OpenClaw will tell you exactly what to do. Now, this tech is brand new, and unfortunately, there are bad actors out there. Daniel Lockyer recently found malware in the top downloaded skill on Claude Hub. It looked innocent, a Twitter skill, but it secretly installed malicious code. Here's the lesson: be careful what skills you install. Do your research. Check the code if you can. Don't give OpenClaw access to sensitive stuff until you're comfortable with the security. That said, I still think this technology is worth exploring. Just be smart about it. And that's it. You now have your own AI agent running on a cheap VPS, powered by a free AI model that rivals GPT-4 and Claude. No expensive hardware. No massive API bills. Just $6 per month for the server. A huge thanks to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. Honestly, this is the easiest and cheapest way to run OpenClaw, and you can scale without buying hardware that might be outdated in a month. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Drop any questions in the comments. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe to the channel.